Welcome to my channel Tech Tips and Beyond, and today I will show you how to get Microsoft Office completely free on your computer as well as other Office alternatives for free. So the reason you would sometimes need an Office on your computer is if you get a new computer or you reset your computer and you don't have Office. It gets expensive to buy Office and you're looking for a solution to do Word document or make a presentation. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can get Microsoft Office for free as well as other four alternatives. And at the end, I will tell you in my opinion which ones I like the most. I've been in tech industry for a long time and use various product and services. On my channel, I do tech videos. If you like tech videos, please click the subscribe button and like button. So let's dive in. So let's get into your browser. If you have Chrome browser or any other browser like Firefox, open the Chrome browser, then type in office.com, or you can just Google it, office.com, and I'll show you the website. So on generally the first website is the one that we click on. So once you click the website that says office.com, then give the option to sign in. You click the sign in the button, and then it'll ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then it takes a few minutes to create an account. So once you have a Microsoft account, you can sign in. Just click the next button and sign in. So after you put in your password, it'll take you to this main Office homepage. On the left, you will see Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So for example, you can click on Word. You can create a blank document or you can open the existing document. So we're going to create a blank document. So as you can see, this looks like a journal Word document, like Microsoft Word. So you have both basic function of Word. Also, you can save the file as a download copy or upload it to OneDrive, which is Microsoft Cloud service. The advantage of using this Office, as it is online, you can use it on any computer without installing any software. It uses Microsoft Cloud OneDrive, as I informed you, using your email that you signed in with. So another way you can access this is going to your start menu on Windows 10 and typing in Office app. You can open this. It'll open the same kind of like the function, but this is without the browser. The advantage of this Office app is you can open the documents on your OneDrive as well as you can open the documents on your computer. So if you don't find this app, you can always go to Microsoft Store and search for Office app, and you can always find it here. I'll show you, and you can launch it from here. Now I will go through some alternative of Office in which some of them can be installed on your computer and can be used without having internet or offline. Okay, open your Chrome browser, any other browser you're using, type in LibreOffice, and then generally it's the first link. We're going to go to LibreOffice and go to its download page, click download LibreOffice, and then download the one you're using. Like if you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, it uses all, it can be installed for all the operating systems. So download it, and then once it downloads, you can install it. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to cancel it. I already installed and downloaded it. So generally, this is what it makes a shortcut on your desktop. So the shortcut looks like this. Double click it, and then you can see on the left, you can see Writer, which is like Word, Calculator, Calc, Spreadsheet, which is like Excel, Impress Presentation, which is like PowerPoint. Drawing is just for drawing, and then these are other things. So most of the times we use is just gonna show you Writer, which is like a Word. So I'm gonna click that. It'll open up. This one is a lot like Word, Microsoft Word. You can see the options are also similar. If you write something on it, it looks pretty much the same, almost the same, I'll say. It has lots of features for an offline. Like this one doesn't have to be online. You can use it as offline, meaning that without the internet, you can open your documents, you can save them on your computer. So this is on your computer, not online. So the good thing about this is you can save as Word document from 2007 to 365, or if you have older documents you need to save, you can save from Word 97 to 2003. So those things you can save. Like you can go to an open PowerPoint or anything like Excel spreadsheet or anything like that from this. It looks the same like Excel. I'll show you. It looks the same as that. It has generally has the same options you can see. And in this also you can save as, Excel document or its own format, which is ODF. You can save that or like an Excel format. All right, so this is all about LibreOffice, which is offline. You can use it. You can use it for other things, like you use it as a regular Office. It has its own format, which is ODF, as well as you can open documents, save documents, do spreadsheets, do presentations, like Microsoft Office. So this is all good. So we're gonna go to the next one now. All right, so let's open your browser again. Let's move on to our second alternative, FreeOffice by SoftMaker, which is called FreeOffice. So you're gonna type in FreeOffice on Google. It'll take you. So this is the one. It's the first link, which is by SoftMaker. You're gonna click that. It'll take you to this website, and generally you can see. I'll show you. If you go to downloads, you're gonna go to it for Windows. Download for Windows. I've already downloaded it. I'll show you its features. So this one has few things. It has text maker, which is like Word, plan maker, which is like Excel, presentations like PowerPoint. So after we download it, I've installed it already. So it's gonna make a shortcut on your Windows desktop. This also works for Linux, Mac. This also works for Linux and Mac. As you can see, Mac, Windows, and Linux. It works for Mac, Windows, and Linux. All right, so I'm going to open the shortcut now. Text maker, which is like Word. Generally, this is more, this is a little bit different. It is like Word, has options, not as more options as LibreOffice, but it does have its own options. So you can still do a lot of things. You can still go, you can save as Microsoft format, which is, Microsoft Word format, which is docs. Excel is that for Excel, and PowerPoint PPTX is for PowerPoint. Or you can save it to the SoftMaker format. Generally, we're going to use the Word for Microsoft Office. So generally it's the same. Good thing is you can export PDFs also with this, which is a good thing to have on that, as in like the others. So you're going to go to our third one then. The third alternative is WPS Office. You can go to your browser and type in WPS Office. Then after you find it, it's generally the first one if you do Google it. So click on it. As you can see, it's WPS for Office. And then just go to downloads. This one also you can see it's for Windows, Mac, Linux, and also is for Android, iOS. So this is another benefit, right? So this can be used as well as like computer to as well as your cell phones, or compatible with your iPad and iPhones. All right, so we're gonna download it for Windows. I already downloaded it. So just you click on download for Windows 10 or download it, doesn't matter. So once you download it, download for Windows 10, it takes you, you can also do it as an app for Windows Store, or you can download it as in Windows. I've done it the other way, download for Windows. So once you go there, I'm gonna take you to there. It'll make a shortcut after you download installed it. So it shows like this, WPS Office. So let's open it up. So this one is pretty similar to those kind of things like documents, spreadsheets. Document is Word, spreadsheet Excel. Presentation is just linking PowerPoint, PDF. It also has this function PDF, which is very good. I like this one. PDF to Word, PDF to edit, PDF to Excel, PDF to picture. Has all these other formats. Converting PDF, good part on it. So I'm just going to show you a click on document, which is Word. You can do a blank document. You can see this one also has different templates that you can use. So I guess some are free and some probably paid, but generally you can do, if you're looking for something to doing, Word document, resume or something like that, for sure you can do that. Also, this one has export to PDF, export to picture, which is very good. You can print, you can share, good option if you can share as PDF. Has a backup and recovery, which is very important to us. You can save as document for 97 2003, the new format, which is docs. Same thing goes for, I can show you, same thing goes for spreadsheets. Journey, you open the blank documents, you write whatever. You have these export to PDF, save as document, the new one. Good. So this has lots of options, you can see. This one's also offline. So generally all the ones I showed you, like Office, FreeOffice, which I'm SoftMaker, the one before that, this one, WPS, as well as LibreOffice, they're all offline. You can use it when you don't have internet. Last but the most famous of them is Google Office Alternative, which is Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Google Docs is like Word, Google Sheets is like spreadsheets or Excel, and Slides is like PowerPoint. So a lot of schools or places use them for ease of use, and it works for most devices and platforms such as Windows, Mac, Android, iOS. Like it works on your laptop as well as works on your phones, your tablets, everything. So for example, if you're typing something on your laptop and you want to pause, and then later on you take out your phone and you want to edit something, you can. And once you come back to your laptop, it'll be the same. Also, it can be shared among other users. Like if you send somebody to proofread some resume or document for you, they can change them on fast there, and then they can send it back to you. They don't have to save as a new document. It does it on the on the fly, which means fast. So this is very good thing about Google applications that I like. Also, I'll show you, I'll go to Docs. I'm already signed in, so I'll show you Docs, Google Docs. You need a Google account or Gmail account in order to access Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. If you don't have one, you can create one very easily. So as you can see, I can open a document. You can rename it here. You can save a file. It saves it automatically to your Google Drive. So you can save a copy. You can download a copy on your computer, any format you like. As I said, you can do it a PDF, you can do it a Word. Also nowadays, as you can see, I can show you with Chrome, it has an extension which you can also do Google Docs offline. Generally, it's an online thing. Generally, Google Docs or the Google products are generally online. When you connect it to online, automatically saves your files to your Google Drive in case something happens to your computer. So for example, something happens to your computer, the good thing is Google Docs, you can actually automatically sign into another computer and then start from there. So you don't lose some things. Like you're doing a project, you're doing something, suddenly something happens to your computer, you're out of battery or something, it saves it instantly. It saves it a few minutes or minute or so. It has certain things automatically saves. So as soon as it saves it, and you can open on other computer. So that's a very good thing I like about Google Docs, that you can open it from anything like cell phone, tablets, laptops. It's fast. As I said before, I'm going to give my opinion about in the end which products I like the best. I do like Microsoft Office, except Microsoft Office, the Other alternatives that I like are LibreOffice and Google Office products like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides. So LibreOffice I like because they keep upgrading their office. The design feels more natural to Microsoft Office, and also they have different options. They keep increasing their options. It's more and easier to navigate when I'm on it. It feels a lot easier than other Office products I have showed you, in my opinion. Also, I like Google Office products such as Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slides is because you don't have to think of saving anything. It automatically saves to your Google Drive. And the best thing I like is you can switch from your computer to your cell phone, to your tablet, or anything. So if you forget to save, it'll save automatically, and then you can pick it up from your cell phone. You can edit it, and you can come back to your computer, re-edit it. It's easy to share files. You can share it to any person. It's very, very easy and extremely convenient to use. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.